Ratios can be written in 3 different ways. But before we write it in 3 different ways, we want to make sure that the ratio is in simplest form. In order to do that, think of the ratio as a fraction. In this case, 30 to 18, we can think of it as 30 over 18 or 30/18. If that is in simplest form, then we just need to write it in 2 other ways. In this case, both of those numbers can be divided by 6. If I divide them both by 6, I get 5 over 3. As a ratio, we would read that as 5 to 3. One way to write that ratio is as a fraction. Another way would be to write it with the word 2, 5 to 3, and the other way would be to write it with a colon, 5 to 3. Those would be the 3 answers for that first problem. If we look at the ratio on the right, 2 to 3, there is no number that goes into both 2 and 3. If we think of it as the fraction 2/3, 2/3 cannot be simplified. Therefore, we just need to write it in 2 other ways. We have it with the colon, we have it with the fraction, and we have to write it with the word 2, 2 to 3. Those are our answers for the second ratio.